5 common editing mistakes beginners make. Video editing skills for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to Filme. This video will show you 5 common editing mistakes beginners make and how to fix them. If you don't want these common mistakes to ruin your passion for editing, come and follow us. We will show you more and more editing skills, help you to meet a great sense of accomplishment. Now, let's begin. 5 common editing mistakes beginners make. As a beginner, video editing can be so confusing that you don't even know how to start. There are so many tutorials online. Studying without a plan may let you fall into mistakes and cause bad habits. And then you have to take lots of time to get yourself back on track. Number 1. Editing without a plan. No matter what you want to do, it'll be nice to have a clear plan, especially doing something you're not proficient in. Starting editing without a plan and research may waste lots of time and make you feel that editing is painful. Before making your plan, there are a few questions for you. What story do you want to tell your viewers? Are there any viewers expecting the content of your video? What kind of atmosphere do you want to create in your video? What do you expect your viewer to feel? Editing with clear goals, so you can focus on the target every time you lose your direction. Number 2. Chaotic workflow. Before editing, you should research every step in the process, like file organization, being familiar with your materials, selecting footage, trimming your video, color grading, etc. Of course, in the beginning, you don't have to go through the whole process. Just pick out the important steps you need and do it. Number 3. Over-editing. Normally, we think more is better, but not for editing. If you use all the transitions, zooming, effects, or animations to make your video look fancier, it may cause bad experiences for your viewers, because too much editing can be distracting. And if you don't know what video editor is the best choice, I recommend iMyFone Filme Video Editor, which is so friendly to beginners. At the very beginning, simple is best. Filme offers the most simple interface, make it possible for you to master it within a short time. Filme also has tons of resources to meet your further creative need. Click on the link in the description, try Filme free now. Number 4. Poor audio. All these problems mentioned above could cause bad experiences when watching the video. Poor audio prevents viewers from focusing on your content. Using the wrong music can completely ruin the atmosphere you want to create. Inconsistent audio can be upsetting and distracting. It's very important whether you can hear what's going on. What you have to do is close your eyes and listen to your video. Make sure the audio is clear and professional. You can also ask your friends to check the audio together. Number 5. Try to make everything perfect. What I'm trying to say is we don't need to be perfect in the first place. Continually creating new videos is the key to promoting your editing skills fast. The videos at the beginning always have flaws, and it is in these flaws that make us become better editors. Don't be afraid to upload your videos. Go and choose a suitable video editor and do it. This is all for today. Have you made different mistakes from what I mentioned above? What kind of mistakes gets you stuck in editing? Leave a comment below and let us know about your experiences. If you found anything helpful in this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more video tips. See you next time!